In this video, I'm going to give a very brief introduction to functions. So, my favorite sort of imagery of what a function is, it's kind of like a factory or something. So, you bring stuff in, you bring in your x values, your function is, doing the work, does something, it cranks it up here, and then it shoots out the value of the function. Okay? So, it shoots out like a y value basically. So, you put in an x, so say f of x, so this is read as f of x, not to be confused with f times x, okay? So it's read as f of x, so the function value at x, that's what it means, equals x plus 1. So you put in the x value, and then so you get f of 2, so instead of writing x, now you write 2, because x equals 2, and then you plug in 2 plus 1, and then that is 3. So that's kind of the way functions work. Big rule that you need to remember for functions. So the big rule for functions, let me write that. Most important thing is that every value of x has a unique value of x or of y, okay? So, when we're writing functions, a lot of times, here, I'll just put this off to the side, y equals f of x. So, x is, we know what x is, and then f of x, or the function value of x, this is what y is. So if you were to plot, a function, you would do x comma y, which, that would be the same thing as if you said x comma f of x, okay? Okay, so, every value of x is a unique value of y. That's the most important thing. So let me plot a few examples of this. So, if we were to plot a function, and we were to see, it looks like, I don't know, something crazy, and then, as we're looking at this something crazy, is this a function? Well, yeah, it is a function, because if we were to look at it, at every value of x, okay, I'm drawing these lines to indicate values of x, there's only one value for y. So for every value of x, there's only one value of y. This is a function. Now, if I were to have a function that looks like this, and then I go here at the value of x at x equals 1, and then I were to look for the corresponding value of y, well, there's a value of y up here, and there's a value of y down here, okay? So this is not a function. So that's the most important rule when it comes to functions, is that every value of x has only one value of y. And there you go. There's your basic introduction to functions.